If you've inherited a property in Whitehall, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in Whitehall, Ohio, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we've been buying inherited properties and probate properties from sellers just like yourself all around Whitehall, Ohio. Now, the reason that people like working with us is we're going to keep it simple from the very beginning. Everybody knows when you're dealing with some type of probate or inheritance situation, things can get complicated. You have attorneys involved, sometimes there's courts involved, other family members. We're not here to add to the complexity. We're here to keep everything simple. And one of the main ways that we keep it simple is we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to fix the property up. You don't need to put any money into the property or haul anything away. The conversation is very simple with you. You, as the person who inherited the property, you can take anything that you want out. Any collectibles or family heirlooms, it's all your stuff. Anything that you just don't want or don't need, you simply could leave behind because we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. We're not a traditional buyer. A traditional buyer is somebody who's working with a real estate agent and they have to qualify for a loan, and then assuming they put the property into contract with you, there's 100 different inspections and people walking through the house, appraisals, and everything like that. We don't have any formal inspections or appraisals. It's going to be very easy for you, and we're ready to close on your timeline. And this is important. It's often overlooked, but since we're a true cash buyer buying the property in its as-is condition, we could close quickly if you need us to, or we could provide flexibility if that's what you need. We could accommodate your needs and close on the date of your choice. The ball is always in your court. So if you've inherited a property in Whitehall, Ohio, and you're looking at your options, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. You'll fill out a very simple form. We'll hop on the phone. And when we talk to you, we just need to understand what's going on with any timelines that you might be facing, as well as more information on the property. We're going to make you a cash offer on the property. If our offer works for you, fantastic, great. We'll move forward. We're going to get this done for you. It's going to be very simple. You're going to know exactly what you're getting because there's no hidden fees or hidden agenda. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any pressure or urgency, fake urgency, anything like that. It's going to be very transparent. We've worked with hundreds of people in the area, and we have tons of references and reviews. We would want to make you a positive testimonial as well. So if you've inherited a property in Whitehall, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in or around Whitehall, Ohio, pick up the phone and give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Very easy to work with. We're going to close on your timeline. We're going to buy the property in its as-is condition, and there's no fake contingencies. We don't have to rely on a bank or a lender, and you don't have to pay any fees or commissions. So that number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. If you've inherited a property in or around Whitehall, Ohio, or if you're dealing with any type of probate situation that involves a property in Whitehall, Ohio, give us a call, 614-300-5151, sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave. I look forward to working with you.